Hello, planning to buy a new washing machine but confused about which one would suit your needs? Let me make it easy for you. Meet LG's super cool top-load washing machine that is loaded with features to give you complete convenience and peace of mind. This washing machine comes with smart inverter technology, which is an energy-efficient motor that reduces noise and vibration and increases durability. LG top-load washing machines come with an inbuilt heater for deeper cleaning. It helps dissolve detergent more effectively and removes tough stains and allergens, giving a more hygienic wash. Perfect for Indian conditions, kids' uniforms and everyday wear. And you know what? LG's TurboDrum gives you a super powerful wash by creating a strong water stream with the drum and pulsator rotating in opposite directions. It tackles even the toughest dirt with ease. Pretty amazing, right? And what makes LG washing machine even better? Its stain clean feature is specifically designed to tackle stubborn stains, leaving clothes visibly cleaner and fresher without any extra effort or hand scrubbing. LG's hard water wash feature ensures optimum wash quality even in hard water conditions. Now, this takes care of all your washing needs. All in all, LG's top-load washing machine gives you zero stress and complete comfort. So what are you waiting for?